Hey everyone, we are mokacam. Last year we came to you with an idea of the smallest 4K camera. Your incredible support brought mokacam to life. To create a better mokacam, we've responded to thousands of comments and have enjoyed all the photos and videos that you shared online. The improvement ideas and our experience from the mokacam to Moka 360 has prepared us for this moment. Introducing Alpha and Alpha S, the first wearable camera that provides a shutter wheel to control the shutter speed, allowing you to set it up to 1/2000th of a second or 32 seconds freely. If you haven't heard of mokacam, it's the world's smallest 4K camera. The rotatable screen module allows you to find the best filming angle and double the battery life. The spare battery that simply snaps on magnetically can extend your battery life to 4 hours for video filming. Now, Alpha brings more surprises. Here's how we made it even better. mokacam Alpha S has an umbrella image processor and provides 4K 30 frames per second or 1080p 120 frames per second video features. It means you can get 1/5 speed Full HD slow motion video, same to GoPro Hero 5. With the 1.55 micrometer Sony image sensor, the low light performance has been significantly improved. In addition to Wi-Fi, Alpha provides Bluetooth connection, which is more stable and consumes less power. It can turn your phone into a Bluetooth remote and get GPS information for geotagging or show the trajectory. With the built-in G sensor, Alpha can get better image stabilization on video recording. Alpha has dual status lights, so even if there's no screen module, it can show the camera status clearly. The dual mic system provides stereo recording capability. Alpha uses a Type-C port to connect the camera and screen. The micro HDMI port provides a new preview and playback mode. Now it's the totally new feature and most important part, the shutter wheel with the new design buttons. In manual mode, you can turn the shutter wheel to set the shutter speed freely, up to 1/2000th of a second or 32 seconds. In other words, you can now use mokacam shooting long exposure night pics or even the stars. What's more, after applying all these great features, Alpha is 20% smaller than the previous generation and 35% smaller than GoPro Hero 5. We are also able to offer two options this time, Alpha and Alpha S. Alpha uses the same image processor to mokacam, the frame rate is similar to GoPro Hero 4, and provides all the other features of Alpha S. So please, order a mokacam today and share it with your friends. Help us to make it a reality.
This is Lumapod, an ultra-compact tripod solution. When we travel, we always pack our tripod. But we got tired of lugging around heavy, bulky tripods that take forever to set up. That's why we created Lumapod. With a simple pull and twist, Lumapod's patented tensioning mechanism ensures a stable setup in seconds. We created two separate models and optimized them for different demands. Whether you're spending a beautiful day with your family, spontaneously hiking and camping in the mountains, or exploring a new city, spend less time setting up your gear and more time capturing those amazing life memories. Twist, pull, set, and you're ready to go. We integrated modular leg extensions so you can easily adapt Lumapod to your needs. It's made to be brought everywhere and designed to be ready instantly, so you can capture and share your experiences in the moment. Use it with your smartphone, mirrorless, or DSLR camera. It easily fits in your pack, so you can always enjoy the benefits of a tripod. Confidently capture those long exposures effortlessly snap a selfie, and then set it down to capture a self-portrait. We are so close to finalizing this project. Back us today and help bring Lumapod to the world.
Shooting cinematic footage is no longer just about image quality, but motion. This is MUWI, the first pocket-sized dolly for smartphones, making it possible for everyone to capture cinematic footage. With the retractable phone holder and the patent-pending rotary legs, make it possible to achieve perfect linear and curved movements with one tool. What about cameras? Just snap the swivel clip and mount your DSLR, mirrorless, or action cameras. The secure ball joint allows you to capture from any angle. The foldable legs make it compact and create a low center of gravity, providing the best balance even with a DSLR. We've tried hard to develop additional abilities for MUWI that enhance its ease of use and boost your creativity. Attaching the flow modules will transform MUWI into a motorized dolly. Flow is the most intuitive and simple way to have an automated motion. Just turn it on and scroll for speed adjustment. With Flow X, MUWI becomes completely hands-free. You can adjust speed, direction, and control your camera remotely. MUWI will go fast enough to follow the action and slow enough to capture perfect time lapses. Track will turn your MUWI into a lightweight and easy to set up slider that can be mounted to any tripod. It is made from airplane grade aluminum to ensure the best quality and stability. It's foldable and compact. Just put it into your backpack and discover the world. MUWI is small but powerful. It can shoot steep incline shots on load, climbing freely along the track without a cable or belt. We've gathered an amazing team of product designers and engineers. We iterated and tested it over and over again, finally creating something we are truly proud of. Our mission is to empower and inspire people to tell better stories and make professional videography available for everyone, anywhere, at any time. We are now ready for the first mass production run, but need your support. Back us today and help us bring the most versatile and affordable filmmaking tool into your hands.
Hello Kickstarter, my name is Josh, and let me introduce you to the Ultimate Lensid. This is what it looks like, and this is what you can do with it. This is how the Ultimate Lensid works. Grab any lens that you own, stretch it on with only one hand, and now you can take incredible photos, videos, and time lapses through glass without any reflection. You can also fit it in reverse to protect your camera from the elements, wedge it in your bag for extra protection, or use it as a lens changing pad outdoors. Okay, so that is the Ultimate Lensid. I came up with the idea 3 years ago when I was in Japan. I was really struggling both by day, but especially by night, to take photos out of windows without any of that glare or reflection. I'm launching this in 2 sizes, so if you're shooting on a pocket point and shoot camera, or even a moment lens on your smartphone, you're going to want the Ultimate Lensid Mini. For everybody else, there's the full-size Ultimate Lensid. Now, I'm really proud of this product, and it does its job fantastically well. If you're a photographer or a filmmaker, then you need to have this in your camera bag. However, I do need your support to get this project funded. Check out the campaign below for all of the information, and if you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. My name is Josh, this is the Ultimate Lensid. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your support. Hi guys, my name is Josh, just landed in Iceland. I've got 2 days here to showcase the Ultimate Lensid and tell you guys everything you need to know about it. I'll see you at the first location. Okay, so that was the ultimate lens hood in action. We'll cut back to me and I'll show you how that shot was done. Andy was filming me through this window here, which I'll demonstrate to you with this lens hood. I'm gonna go up to the glass, I can tilt my camera at any angle I like, take my photo and remove all of that reflection.